Atal Tunnel, previously known as the Rohtang Tunnel, is named after the former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee and is an expressway burrow that is being built under the Rohtang Pass in the eastern Pir Panjal scope of the Himalayas on the Leh-Manali highway. At 9.02 kilometers length, the passage will be one of the longest street burrows in India and is at a height of 3060 meters, while the Rohtang Pass is at a rise of 3978 meters. So, what are some of the main benefits that will accrue to the region with its formal opening to the public? The main reason for building the tunnel lies in the fact that the Manali-Sarchu Leh street stays shut down for half the year due to Rohtang Pass being totally snowbound during November and April. Upon completion, the all-climate passage will interface Manali to Lahaul and Spiti Valley consistently and will diminish the street length of Manali-Rohtang Pass Sarchu Leh street by 46 kilometers, saving a total time of 4 to 5 hours of travel. Furthermore, it will boost the economy and tourism of the area. The planning for the construction of the tunnel started way back in 1983 when the Government of India settled to update the Manali-Leh street to an all-climate pivot. In 2002, Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee announced the development of Rohtang Tunnel, establishing the framework of the methodology street to the passage. The examination of the site was done by RITES in March 2002. On September 24, 2009, an agreement was granted to Strabag Afcons joint venture. The construction started off under the administration of Srimati Sonia Gandhi.
And our Strabag office, they have done a good design of the shutters. We used that shutters and then we were through in comfortable time. And that way actually this was done.
The development of the tunnel started in 2010 with the first shoot occurring at the South Portal close to Dhundi on August 29, 2010, which is located 25 kilometers from Manali at a height of 3060 meters, and in North Portal on October 4, 2010, which is situated close to town Teling, Sisu in Lahaul Valley at an elevation of 3071 meters. The total length of the Rohtang Tunnel is 8.802 kilometers. It is a horseshoe-formed, single-tube two-fold path burrow with 10.5 meters street. There is an overhead clearance of 5.5 to 5 meters and the maximum vehicle speed is 80 kilometers per hour. Because of tough geographical factors like the construction of the Seri Nala tunnel, it has taken nearly 10 years for the 8.8 kilometer tunnel to be completed.
So this NATM actually helps in that way that here actually in this method we provide the girders, and those girders are at specific distances depending on the hardness of the strata, and in between area is filled up with the shotcrete.
So, what were the primary engineering related challenges that were encountered during the construction of the tunnel? The construction was highly challenging due to the geological complexity of the young Himalayas. Furthermore, there were accessibility challenges across Rohtang and Chandrakoti ridge structures. The varying geology contributed to overburdening, exceptionally large cross-sectional areas, and tunnel squeezing conditions. Rock spalling, also known as bursting, led to severe stability and safety problems.
To deal with that strata, we have provided, say, 3-stage roof piping.
Despite several challenges, the project has made some commendable achievements and is expected to be inaugurated soon by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Started on June 28, 2010, an engineering marvel, the Atal Tunnel is going to be the world's longest road tunnel at such a high altitude and is a giant leap towards India's infrastructural development.